Please. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
So let's start, ma'am.
Yes, I can see only four. We all are here. I guess. Are we here all?
Yes,
I can
ma'am.
see only
Everyone.
10 people here.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is here. Only
Okay.
Pallav sir is not here right now.
Okay. Okay. So for the next round, we have we need to make a tiebreaker. So the clear qualifier is Shruti and Surya for the next round. And we have a tiebreaker for Ayush, Anish, Yash, and Varsha. So we will put a question within the 10 seconds. You have to say yes. So Ayush, Anish, Yash, and Varsha, you all can unmute yourself once the question is there. Please unmute and say yes. Don't say your answer. You just have to say yes. Whosoever will say yes first will get the chance to answer that question. Okay? For only four of you, these questions are. On that basis, whosoever will give the maximum questions will go on the next round. Okay? And Shruti and Surya, congratulations, you are clear for the next round.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Ayush, Anish, Yash, and Varsha, I request, except these four, please all mute yourself because otherwise we won't be able to listen who said yes first, right? Okay. Rishabh, can we start? So you only have 10 seconds, Ayush, Anish, Yash, and Varsha. You only have 10 seconds to say yes and answer. Once we give you the name that this person said yes first, then answer. Don't say answer first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, done. Vidya, are we okay to go?
Yes, ma'am.
We are.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, can we start?
Question. Yes. First
Sorry?
question is. I'm presenting the first question.
Please unmute yourself. First question is Rishabh.
Only
You
10
can come with it. Only 10 seconds you have. Ayush, Anish, Yash, and Varsha. We can't see the question, Rishabh, right? Yes, the question is not visible, Abhi. First question, your time starts. Please say yes, whosoever know the answer. Which ruler of Bikaner was given the title of Mahib Maratib by Aurangzeb as he was influenced by his bravery?
Ma'am.
Yash?
Ma'am, by Mughals.
By Mughals. Yash said by Mughals.
Which
First
ruler?
question.
It's written which ruler. You have to name the ruler.
Which ruler got the title actually? Which Rajasthani ruler got the title? Yes.
Do you know the answer, Yash?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So none of you attempted for this question. Okay. Next question, please. What is the name of the cannon situated at Jaigarh Fort?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Varsha.
Nagin.
What is the answer, Varsha?
Sorry, sir.
Ma'am, can I?
Nagin, I think, ma'am. Nagin.
Nagin. Okay.
No, Gavin, ma'am. Gavin,
Ma'am,
Gavin,
then
Gavin.
can-
Sorry. Gavin, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was supposed to say.
Ma'am, I totally got confused. Gavin.
Fun answer, please.
Ma'am, Gavin, final. Gavin.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, please. Which city is known as Purple City?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Varsha. Okay. What is the answer?
Alva. Alva.
Alvar. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Next question. This is the last question, guys. This is the last question. Okay. We only have 4 questions for this.
So Varsha attempted the question. It was wrong, and
Yes,
now
yes, ma'am.
second goes to Yash. Yash said also yes in the next.
Yes.
Which question?
So this same question you said yes.
Purple City. Purple City. Yes. You said yes, right?
No, ma'am.
No, Anish said
Anish.
yes.
Anish said yes.
Anish, what is
Anish
the
said
answer
yes.
for this one?
Jalawar.
Jalawar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So this is the last question.
What is the extension of wall of Fort Kumbhalgarh?
Ma'am, kilometer? In kilometer?
Yes, in kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
Kilometer. Varsha. Okay. What is the
34
answer?
kilometer.
34 kilometers. Okay.
So I think we are done with this round. Anyone? So we'll just come up with the winner, and the winners like 2 people didn't answer, so you won't be promoted to the next round.
They will be joining Surya and Shruti for the next round. Okay. Anish and Varsha are promoted for the next round with Surya and Shruti. So thank you so much. Congratulations. And rest can leave.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
All the best.
So Anish, Varsha, Shruti and Surya, you all are here.
Anish, Varsha,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti and Surya. Okay.
So
Yash,
on
you
the
have to
last
leave.
round. So we are on the last round. Okay.
For winners.
And what will be the sequence?
We are sharing the timing and everything.
Okay.
So now the first participant will be as the first one only the Surya, then Shruti, third is Varsha, fourth is Anish.
Surya, Shruti, Varsha and Anish.
There will be 2 rounds. So each question will have 10 marks each. So this will start again. So every person who is answering, if he is able to answer both the questions and both, we will calculate the marks you scored before also. So we'll add up the marks and we'll announce the final winner at the end of this round.
Any doubt? Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Surya, your number is 1. Shruti, your number is 2. Varsha, your number is 3. Anish, your number is 4.
Ma'am, what
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
time for the question?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Thank you, ma'am.
Rishabh, can we see the slide, please?
Yes, presenting.
Per answer is for 10 points, okay?
So screen is visible to everyone.
No, we can't see your screen. Now it is visible.
Visible, it is visible.
So the first question is,
Every question is for 30 seconds. If in case you are not able to do it, the question will be nullified. Okay? You need to identify the personality. This is for
Okay.
Surya. Your time starts.
Hiralal Shastri.
Okay. Next is for Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the dance form.
Kalbelia.
Okay. Next is question is for Varsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the place.
Abanari.
Okay. Next question is for Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Identify the painting.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is for Surya. Kalibanga, a prehistoric site, is located in which district of Rajasthan?
Churu district.
Okay. Okay. Next question is for Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Keladev National Park is located in which district of Rajasthan?
Ma'am, Bharatpur.
Okay. Next question is for Varsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Maharana Pratap's horse Chetak tomb situated at?
Chittorgarh.
Okay. Next question is for Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Trinega Ganesh temple is found in which fort? Trinetra.
Trinetra. Chittorgarh, ma'am. Chittorgarh Fort.
Okay. Thank you. Allow us some time. We are just coming back in 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. With the
ma'am.
result. Thank you.
Let's mute, please, everyone. Rishabh.
Hi all. We all are here.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
can we announce the result?
Yes.
Let us,
Okay,
if
so-
Lama sir is there, can Lama sir announce the results for us? The winner's name. If
Lama sir है? Lama sir? Lama sir?
Let Lama sir announce it for us. Just let me ask him to announce it. Just the name.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Lama sir, आप एक बार call करके he will announce it.
Okay.
Yes, just tell him the name and he'll announce it. Yes.
Sir, he's in another meeting. He won't be able to.
He won't be able to.
बात हुआ आपका?
Yes. Okay. Hello.
सर आप
नहीं
announce
लामा सर आ
कर
गए
दीजिए।
लामा सर आ गए अरे
तो मैंने आपको रिजल्ट
Lama sir,
आप
you
अनाउंस
will-
कर दीजिए प्लीज।
Lama sir, thank you for coming and announcing the results. Please do the honors.
Where is the result?
ले
तो मैंने आपको मैसेज किया है सर।
Okay, just hold on, guys. I haven't received any message. Received. Acha, are you guys there? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
everyone is here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, are you excited for the result?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, see, actually, the quiz was very good, and all the participants had participated in very good manner. But winners and losers are always there, right? So we'll start from first. So according to the points, Shruti is the winner. Shruti Mishra, she got 30 marks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Congratulations.
and congratulations, Shruti.
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग
Thank you,
बंद
sir.
कर दो सर. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग कौन कर रहा है?
And
Yes.
second is Surya with 20 points. Congratulations, Surya.
Congratulations,
Surya,
Surya.
Surya, don't get disheartened because we can see the difference in the smile before and after the results.
Not at all, sir. Not at all. She's my buddy
Just
only,
keep-
Shruti Mishra.
Yeah. Yes.
Exactly same.
Because
Surya.
I mean, you both you can use your combined power to participate in the Shimla wala quiz, which we used to go 10-12 years back. That's the National Tourism Quiz.
Rotary
you can
Club.
definitely go and participate.
Rotary Club.
No. Let Lama sir announce it, and I'll tell you the details. Let Lama sir announce the result first because he has to go. Sir, announce कर दीजिए.
हाँ कर लिया. We have only two winners, that is Shruti and Surya. I'm really very sorry, Varsha and Anis. Better try next time. Don't get disheartened. ठीक है?
No problem.
We have to. That is.
We enjoyed
All the best, guys. You
Shruti
were
first and
very
second
nice.
is-
Everybody was very good.
Yes. So see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, as I was saying for you, all four of you all, I know Ali ma'am must be knowing, I don't know if she knows or all, but 10-12 years back, IT team used to send participants to National Tourism Quiz, and when I was a student there in my graduation days, way back in 2006-7, it is a runner's trophy actually, so the trophy keeps passing on to institutes, those who are the winners actually. So for the, it happened in Bhubaneswar, I was there in Bhubaneswar. So 3 years consecutively, the trophy was with us only. And after that, when we passed out, the trophy, the MBA batch, ma'am, it was your juniors batch, way back there in the parallel batch. They performed so wonderful that they didn't even qualify the first round. So the management decided.
अबे बाद में कर ले, हो गया.
Okay, हाँ, आप जाओ ना sir.
अच्छा, तो I'll take your leave. Okay, take care,
Thank you,
guys,
sir.
and
Thank
congratulations to everybody. Even congratulations to all. Okay, take
Thank you,
care.
sir. Thank you.
Yes. So you should participate. You should do the registrations. It opens around say July, I think July mid में. शिमला यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट पे जाओ, टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट में उनके फॉर्म्स आते हैं. You say Shruti and Surya could equally use your powers to participate in that particular quiz and achieve बहुत prestigious
Central
trophy.
University Shimla. Central University Shimla.
Exactly, Central University Shimla. I was never a part of that quiz competition, but my roommates were, so I knew it. They used to prepare very hard, and they used to go. Every kharcha was given by college and everything. So अच्छा है, जाओ अपने resume में लिखने के लिए एक अच्छा accolade है तुम लोगों के लिए. Prepare yourself for
Sir,
that.
when I was in school, I was in military school, Chal. It is near Shimla. It's like 40-45 kilometers from Shimla. So then, back then, we used to go for this Rotary Club quiz in Shimla only. There are many quizzes that is organized in Shimla. So I thought you are talking about that Rotary quiz.
No,
That
it's
is
only
also a
on-
rotating.
Yes, but this happens on the World
Yeah.
Tourism. 27 September, this quiz happens, the final rounds, and there are around 20-30 teams from all over the tourism departments which come and participate. So you should definitely go and participate. Try your skills out there, and all the best to you all. It was good interacting with you all. I am sure.
All the best, guys. And
ma'am,
we also learned a lot. All the best.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I'm sure
ma'am.
Ali ma'am would agree that we'll come up with more such quizzes in near future.
Yes, we will definitely.
Yes.
All the best, guys. Take care.
Welcome.
Pleasure
Thank
to
you,
meet
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Rishabh and Vidya, for your wonderful support which you have given us. I hope you are पता नहीं है कि नहीं चले गए. But please
will
pass on the
convey them,
message
sir.
that we have.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please convey. We'll definitely call and give them because they are in that picky wala thing. I understand. But thanks to you all. Thank you so much. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes,
Thank
bye.
you.